Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well. Before we get started, guys, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, let's get into it. I want to cover 4 postcard programs that I'm an affiliate marketer for. The name of the company is WTM Pub. Okay, and there's four postcard programs that I'm a part of that I actually promote, as well as they have a flyer program. Okay, so I want to show you guys those programs, and then I want to show you some more results. Okay, 2 more of these envelopes came in, so we'll open those up as well. So let's go over these. So if you're looking for something simple, if you don't really want to do online marketing, you just want to mail out postcards, I've got 4 programs you may want to check out and a flyer program. Okay, so let's go over them real quick. Okay, first one up is called the Cash Cow 100. This one is $300 to get started. There's 2 levels with this one. You have box 1 and box 2. Okay, so you're paid on 2 levels. So you're going to send 3 money orders in with this one. 100 to the person in box 2 in their name, 100 to the person in box 1, and then of course the company themselves. So that's 3 money orders, that's $300. You mail them all to the company WTM Pub, and their addresses on this card. I'll have a link below so you can go print this card out. So mail it in. I recommend mailing it priority so that way you can track it and know when it gets to WTM's office. Okay, now the company provides you 100 postcards in color, just like the one you see here. Okay, it also comes with a welcome kit, okay, that they're going to send you. And that welcome kit is 64 ways to increase your mail order profits, a mailing list, directory, and a full color postcard ordering form. Now of course, when you join me, I'm going to share my resources, where I get my leads from, where I get my cards printed from. Okay, so you're going to get an email from me personally. Okay, that's in addition to what they're going to mail you. Okay, now if you join me in this one for April, I've got a great bonus that I'm giving out for April. So Cash Cow, I normally send you guys 200 leads, but I'm going to double it for April, so you're going to get 400 leads. Okay, so you're going to have plenty of leads to get you started with this. All right, so with this one, you make $100 on level 1 and level 2. That means when you mail your postcards out and someone joins from your card, you make $100. But you also will make $100 from anybody that your team signs up. Okay, when your team mails out their postcard, your name is on their card, and so when they make 100, you make 100. Okay, so that's how that works. 2 tiers. Okay, that's the Cash Cow 100. Now let's go to the next one. Now the next one up is called the Postcard Tycoon. It comes with a website. It comes with 250 postcards and 250 leads that the company sends you. Okay, and after every 5th sale, the company offers what they call the 5 for life. 500 postcards, 500 stamps, and 500 leads. Okay, that's the Postcard Tycoon. It pays out $300 per sale. Okay, just 1 level. This one is going to be $498 to get in. You're going to have a $300 money order and a $198 money order. Okay, and you're going to fill out the order form. I'm going to show that to you. Again, you're going to mail these priority. Just put those 2 in 1 envelope, mail them to WTM. So let me show you that. When you come to my site, you go all the way down. Okay, go all the way down. And you see right here. Okay, you're going to click order form. Okay, and that's what you're going to fill out. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, when you click order form, it comes up just like this. So just go ahead and print this out. Fill this information out. Make sure it's legible. Okay, with your name, your address, because this is where they're going to mail your commissions. This is where they're going to mail your welcome kit. okay, in your 250 cards, your 250 leads to get you started. So make sure this is legible. Okay, and it tells you right here where to mail it to. So a $300 money order would be in my name, and a $198 would be in the company name. All this is on here, on this form, so don't worry about trying to figure out what it is. Just go to this site that I'm going to list below and follow the instructions and mail it in. Okay, now for month of April, for this one, normally with this one I give you guys 400 leads, but again, the April bonus, I'm going to double that, so you're going to get 800 leads, okay, when you join me in the Tycoon. Okay, the Postcard Tycoon. You can go to my website, www.thepostcarddiva.com. Okay, you get a website with this one too. So here is what the postcard looks like, front and back. Okay, $300 a pop. All right, so you got plenty leads to get you started. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, next one up is called Profit Max Formula. This one does not come with a website. You make $500 per sale with this one, as you can see on the screen. This one doesn't come with any leads from the company, but when you join me, I normally give you guys 500 leads, but I'm going to double it. You're going to get 1,000 for the month of April. All right. Now, this one comes with the standard welcome kit that all the other ones get. This one, you're going to send 2 money orders in, one for $500 in my name and one for $195 in the company name. Now, what the company does with this one is they have the 5 for Life bonus. After every 5th sale, they're going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay? And this is the jumbo postcard Profit Max formula. Okay? So you're talking mid-ticket now. That's a great commission. Okay? So just imagine that. Just a few of those a week, or one of those a week. Whatever your income goals are, you can reach them very quickly with these $500 commissions. All right? So let's go to the next one. Okay, now this is high ticket. This one pays $1,000 per sale. Supreme Profit System on 2 tiers. Okay? It's just like the cash cow, 2 tiers. You make $1,000 when you mail your postcards out and someone signs up with your card. And then you make $1,000 if one of your teammates sign someone up with their card, because your name is going to be on their card. Okay, so 2 levels, $1,000. The company gives you 1,000 postcards with this one, and it does come with a website also. Okay, and this one, you come down, same situation, just like with the Tycoon. Come all the way down and fill out the form. I'm going to show you that. This comes with the 5 for Life also. After every 5th sale, the company is going to mail you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. Okay, so the power pack. Okay, so you come all the way down. As you can see, this is the website. Okay, it explains everything. Okay, it tells you what comes with it. Everything is on this page. Okay, so let's come down. It's the owner. Okay, box 1, box 2. So this one, you will have 3 money orders. You would have 1,000 in my name, 1,000 in my sponsor, and $350 in the company. You mail all 3 of those to the company. And you come down and you do the same thing. You click here, print that form out, and it tells you right here the instructions. Okay, so fill out this form. Make sure, again, it's legible, because this is where your welcome kit and all your commissions will go. So you got to make sure your address is correct and your name is spelled correctly on here. Okay, so that's high ticket, 1,000. So when you join me in this one, I typically give you 1,000 leads. I will give you 2,000 with this one for the month of April. This is a bonus that I've got going. So this is the spring special bonus. Okay, and this is what the postcard looks like. It'll have your website on here as well. Okay, so you do get a website with this. So you can see these colors. You got the red, the yellow, the black, all this pops. So if you're interested in high ticket, we have you covered on that as well. Now the last one, let's go over that. Let me show you the flyer program that WTM has. They created this one last year. Okay, this was called the 200K bankroll. This one pays out $200. This is a flyer. Okay, it's a 2-page flyer. It pays out $200 on 2 levels. Okay. It's very similar to the postcard program. The difference is it's a flyer. Okay, $200 on level 1. When you mail your flyer out and someone joins you from your flyer, you make $200. If your teammate mails their flyer out and they make a sale of $200, you also make $200. Okay. Now, what the bonus with this one that the company's giving you, after every 3rd sale, okay, after every 3rd sale, the company's going to mail you 500 free forever stamps. Okay, so that's huge. Very, very, very huge. After every 5th sale for life, I'm sorry, 3rd sale, after every 3rd sale for life, when you in this program, the company is going to send you 500 stamps. So that's going to keep you going. Your job is just to mail your flyers, and after every 3rd sale, they're going to send you 500 stamps. Okay, so with this one, I'm giving out normally 200 leads, but since it's April, spring, I'm offering something special, so I'm going to double that. It's going to be 400 leads you're going to get if you join me in this flyer program. I have a link below for it so that you can print the flyer out and just follow the instructions similar to everything else I just discussed. Fill out the form, make sure it's legible, and mail the money orders. Everything is money order. So you'll send a $200 money order in my name, $200 in my sponsor, and $197 in the company's name. Mail all 3 of them in one envelope, priority mail, to the company. Okay, and let me know that you've joined any of these programs so that I can make sure we stay in contact and I get your email. Okay, so let's check out these 2 envelopes I've got real quick. All right, guys, if any of those interest you, reach out to me and let's get you started. All right, let's do this pretty quickly. All right. It's 2 of them in this one. Welcome Jermaine and welcome Jervon to Cash Cow. I've got to put something over this so that it doesn't show. Routing number. Alright, guys. Cash Cow. That's 2 money orders, so that's $200. Thank you so much, guys. Alright. Next one. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Click that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Put this over this one. Looks like another Cash Cow, and welcome Maryland. Another 100. Okay, so $300 right there. All right, so definitely get started with me in any of the postcard programs or the flyer programs, whatever suits you. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll put my information below. I look forward to working with you guys. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.